We have shown the vertical scale that we have taken along the y-axis on the left hand side, 1 centimeter to 5 degrees centigrade, showing the mean monthly temperature in degrees Celsius. Okay. Now, in this particular statistical diagram, the multiple line graph or polygraph, we first of all need an index. We have to give an index. We must very clearly mention that in this particular diagram, the green line represents Chennai, the green line represents Chennai, and the blue line represents Jaisalmer. The green line represents Chennai, blue line represents Jaisalmer. We must also mention the scale that we have taken. The vertical scale was 1 centimeter to 5 degree centigrade. The horizontal scale was 1 centimeter to 1 month. Okay. Then we give the heading. What heading do we write? The heading should be polygraph or multiple line graph, polygraph or multiple line graph showing mean monthly temperature of Chennai and Jaisalmer. Now people, our task as a geographer doesn't end only by drawing the statistical diagram. We need to interpret that as well. Now how do we interpret? See, the two graphs that we have drawn very clearly show that one of the two stations is coastal and the other station is continental. How do we know? If you look at the graph of Chennai, alright, what do we find? There is not much difference between the minimum temperature and the maximum temperature, and that is the reason why the amplitude of the graph is not high. And we know that Chennai is a coastal station, but we also know that Jaisalmer is located in the Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert and it's continental. That's the reason why you will find that there is a huge difference between the maximum temperature and the minimum temperature, and the amplitude of the graph is therefore very prominent. So when you interpret this particular graph, these are the two things that you require to mention. Am I clear? So sorry for the interruption, but I suppose the more important concepts have been clearly understood. So thank you very much. Till the next time, stay well and stay happy. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.